What is going on, guys? Nicksbankrpt here with a new video. We have Megan. She's driving us there, and let me tell you, we've got into almost 2 slight accidents. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. I hope I'm alive for this video to be out. We're headed to Elite Motor Cars. We're ceramic coating the Lamborghini Huracan, and huge shout out to Elite Motor Cars for wrapping the Lamborghini Huracan and making it the Lamborghini. That thing looks insane. We have a very, very nice guy who's gonna be ceramic coating the entire car for me to keep the wrap perfect, you know? We just got to Lee right now. Spencer is taking apart the car. It's gonna be put back together, hopefully soon.
Hopefully.
It will be, right?
No.
Look at the hand.
Oh my god. Wash your car more.
Yeah. Look at all these rocks right here.
Nah, dude, the other side was worse.
Oh my god, look at all this. I thought you cleaned it last time.
Look at the before and after.
Oh my god, that is crazy. We're top quality _ California. Make sure to check him out. He does PPF, ceramic coating, and all the stuff you need for your car. Is like 10 out of 10 work. He just finished the G-Wag. The car was satin, but you know, that extra layer of protection does make a change. The work is perfect, like literally phenomenal. You can't find anything like it. So he's gonna go ahead and do the ceramic coating very soon here for the Huracan and for the wheels. If you do need your car ceramic coated, or you do want to get satin PPF, make sure to hit him up or come to Elite Motor Cars, and they'll go ahead and take care of you. Casually have Spencer just sitting on the Lamborghini Huracan wheel right now. They're cleaning the Lamborghini Huracan wheels. He has to do a whole like full deep cleaning into the wheel before we throw that ceramic coating on to make sure everything bonds onto the wheel. Just casually sitting on the floor.
Yeah. Dude, I've been here all day. I thought we were going home like an hour ago.
Shots fired.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. We literally just left. How long have we been here for?
I don't know.
We've been here for like 11 hours.
That was crazy.
Check out Elite Motor Cars. Their work is amazing, guys. The amount of work they've done on this car to make it look the way it does is mind-blowing. This wouldn't be possible without top quality _ California on Instagram. Put the best ceramic coat you could get on the wrap and on the wheels and on the brakes. And if you guys are from the Bay Area, go ahead and hit them up on Instagram. They've been doing this forever. They're like the most reliable people you could get. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Stay tuned for more content. Remember to never settle.